Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy retouching tutorial on Photoshop. So double click on your photos to be able to edit it, and we're going to use the section. There's a removing tool, healing brush tool, patch tool, spot healing. If you want to remove a big portion, you can use that, and you're just going to get like the part of the skin where there's no spots like that. But that's to like remove like really big blemishes. You can use the spot healing brush tool. Just go over the spot, and as you can see, it's removed in seconds. Even on the hand, you can remove it and it will make it look smoother. You can also remove fine lines with this. It's just a simple tool to use. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.